How to export audio as MP3 or WAV in Ocenaudio. First of all, open your Ocenaudio software and load the audio file. Once you are done editing the track, you can begin the process of exporting it to your desired format. Next, head over to the File menu located at the top left of the screen. Click on it and select Export. A new window will appear, giving you the option to choose the format for your audio file. After that, you will be able to select from multiple formats. For this tutorial, choose WAV and click on Export. Then, select the location where you want to save your exported file. Choose a folder on your computer where it will be easy to find later. Once everything is set, click Save and the export process will begin. Ocenaudio will convert your file into the selected format and save it to the destination you choose. For MP3 format, go to File tab and select Save As. Click on Save As type and from there select MP3. Once you click Save, the file will be saved in MP3 format. And that's it. Now you know how to export audio as MP3 or WAV in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.